The very first type we are going to take will be a flexible budget. The expenses budgeted for the production of 10,000 units in a factory are furnished as follows. ये जो information है वो किसके लिए दिया है? Production of 10,000 units के जब आप 10,000 units को produce कर रहे हैं तो what all are your expenses? उसका budget दिया है. Okay. First one, materials 70 per unit. Now they have given you the per unit. और यहाँ पर आपको क्या दिया है? Total units दिए. Labor again a per unit is given. Now we know that in the flexible production budget, what we do, we bifurcate the expenses into the variable and the fixed cost. तो हमें ये साथ साथ में करते जाना है कि whether ये variable है कि whether this is fixed. So material labor दोनों मेरे क्या थे? Variable expenses. Next we have a variable overheads, again a variable cost. 20 per unit is given. Fixed overheads दिए कितने? ₹1000 का, मतलब 10 units है, but they have directly calculated the amount and they have given you that it is of a 1 lakh. So directly you are going to write down under the fixed cost this fixed overheads. Variable expenses which is direct 5. So this will be written in the variable cost only. Selling expenses 10% fixed. अगर 10% fixed है तो मतलब जो remaining portion है that will be the variable. Okay. अगर 10% is fixed तो partial will be the variable. So you just have to do it कि कुछ portion इसका variable cost में जाएगा, कुछ portion इसका fixed cost में जाएगा. Same way distribution expenses 20% is fixed. So if 20% is fixed मतलब 80% of is variable. So 80% will go in the variable, 20% will be going in the fixed cost. Administrative expenses ₹50,000 100% fixed. पूरा का पूरा administrative expenses is fixed, so you have to write down this in the fixed cost. Total is given 155 per unit. Now 6, prepare a budget for the production of. हमें किसके budget बनाना है कि ये 6000 units पर अगर हम ऑपरेट करेंगे तो कितना कॉस्ट होगा? 8000 पर जब हम ऑपरेट करेंगे तो what will be my cost? If I'm operating on 1000, then what will be my cost? Sorry, 10,000. Then what will be my this cost? Units showing variable cost, fixed cost in the amount and the cost per unit at each level of production. आपको क्या करना है? आपको ये 3 budgets बनाने हैं. 3 अलग-अलग units दी गई है, and they have told us to bifurcate this into the variable cost and the fixed cost, both in the amount as well as cost per unit. तो क्या हमारा इसके वजह से what will be our format? So we are going to give the heading first, that flexible production budget. फिर जो भी units आएगी, you have to write down the units. Now in this we got 6000 units. Just take a chronological order and 10,000. But the information which is given to us is of a 10,000. तो सबसे पहले हम ये वाला column fill करेंगे and then we will fill these 2 columns. Okay. So since they have told us to make a cost per unit and the amount column, so cost per unit and amount for all the 3 will be prepared. Done. Now let's start. First, the heading we will be given variable cost. And inside it, we are going to write down what are the things given. So 6 lines we will leave. And in the next line, you are going to write down fixed cost. जैसे जैसे आते जाएगा, we will just put. First one is material, 70 per unit. So material will be under the variable cost. So I will write over your materials. It's 10,000 units ka they have given us the information. So 10,000 units के column में I will go and I will write down 70. तो total cost कितना हो जाएगा? How you will get total cost? 70 into 10,000. That is per unit into total units. So this will be 70 to 10,000. This will be equal to 7 lakh rupees. Next is labor. 25 per unit. So 25 into 10,000. Next one is variable overheads. So 2 lakh rupees. Next is fixed overheads. So in the fix, you are going to write down the fixed overheads. And 1 lakh. Because 10 into 10,000 will give you the 1 lakh. Next is variable expenses. Per unit. So 5 into 10,000, 50,000. सेलिंग एंड सेलिंग एक्सपेंसेस में 10% इज फिक्स. तो सबसे पहले फिक्स का कर लेते हैं. सेलिंग एक्सपेंसेस अब 10% ना. सो 13 का 10%. So this will be equals to how much? 1.30. So 1.30 into 10,000. So this will be 13,000. So अगर 13 में 1.3 was fixed, तो remaining कितना हो जाएगा? 11.7. तो that will be your variable. Variable, which is 11.7 multiplied by 10,000, 1,17,000. Next is distribution expenses. Distribution. %20 is fixed. So 7 का 20%. 1.4. So 1.4 into 10,000. So this will be 14,000. If 20% is fixed, so 80% will be variable. So this will be 5.6. 5.6 into 10,000, 56,000. Next is administrative expenses, 50,000. Directly they have given us. So just write down over here administrative. %100% is fixed, so 5, and over here so done. Over here you are going to write down A, total variable cost. Total of cost per units 137.30 into, if you do 10,000, 13,73,000. Total of fixed cost $17.7 into 10,000, 1,77,000. तो टोटल कॉस्ट कैसे मिलेगा? A plus B. Just do the addition, this plus this. I have 155 and see what is the total. 155. Same way, add the amount column. 15,50,000. तो इवन 155 इंटू अगर 10,000 करोगे तो भी यही आएगा. तो लाइक दिस ऑल्सो यू कैन क्रॉस वेरीफाइड. Okay. Chalo, now we have to make for the 6,000 units and we have to make for the 8,000 units. Can someone tell me हम कैसे करेंगे? Variable cost per units will remain same. Variable cost per unit will what? It will remain the same. So जो ये per unit था, this will be the same. Okay, अब multiply करना है. $70 into 6,000. 5 into 6,000. 20 into 6,000, 1,20,000. 5 into 6,000, 30,000. 11.7 into 6,000, 70,200. And 5.6 into 6,000. This will be 33,600. Now we know that fixed cost remains the same. हमें ये पता है कि fixed cost जो भी होगा that will remain the same. So यही हमारा fixed cost होगा. Per unit will get changed. अब देखो, now उल्टा process हाँ. 10,000, 1 lakh divided by 6,000 will give you the year the per unit. See, I am doing over here. 1 lakh because आपको per unit चाहिए ना, आपके पास अभी amount है तो divide करो, divide by 6,000. So you will be getting 16.66667. Just round it off. Same way. 13,000 divided by 6,000. This will be 2.1667. Round it off. So 2.17. 14,000 divided by 6,000. 2.3333. Just round it off and take up to 2 decimals. And the last one, 50,000 divided by 6,000. 8.3333. Just round it off up to 2 decimals. Take a total of all the variable cost per units. It will remain the same. 137.3. This will get changed now. 29.50. Take a total of total cost. 8,23,800. Total of fixed cost 1,77,000. To the addition of the units as well as of the amount. 166.80. 10,08,000. The same manner you have to find out for the 8,000 units. तो हमने बजट बनाया कि अगर हम 6,000 यूनिट्स पर अब जब प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं तो हमारे टोटल कॉस्ट इनकट होगा 166.8 का और टोटल कॉस्ट उसका होगा 10,08,000. देन द सेम वे 10,000 का ऑपरेट कर रहे थे तब तो वी नो इट. अब 8,000 यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस करेंगे तो कितना होगा? सेम प्रोसीजर 70 into 8,000. 5,60,000. 25 into 8,000. 2 lakh rupees. 20 into 8,000. 1,60,000. 5 into 8,000. 40,000. 11.7 into 8,000, 93,600, and 5.6 into 8,000. Take a total 10,98,400. Fixed cost may amount remain the same. We will only have to find out the cost per unit. So 1 lakh divided by 8,000. 12.5. 13,000 divided by 8,000. 1.625, just round it off up to 2 decimal, so 1.63. Same way, 14,000 divided by 8,000. 1.75. 50,000 divided by 8,000. 6.25. Just take a total 22.125. You want up to 2 decimal. 22.13. Just add it. Total variable cost plus total fixed cost. 159.43. Same way, add the total cost. 75,400. And with this, we are done with the sum because they have just told us to prepare a budget for the production. So we have prepared in the cost per unit and the total cost, both they were this, in both the ways. Just a minute, ये हमने ऊपर units लिखा है ना, just write down the units up. Anyone facing any of the doubt?